Hi everyone, welcome back. Are you a Moi-Moi lover but you are allergic to beans? Worry no more, I got you covered. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious Moi-Moi without beans using lentils. This tastes super good. Why not come with me and let me show you how I made this. For this recipe, we are going to be using red lentils. You can as well use the brown one. I'll be using 1 kg of lentils. Lentils is loaded with a lot of nutrients and very nutritious, just as beans, if not more than. Okay, so what I did next was to pour it into a bowl. After that, I added water and soak it for about 10 minutes. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate.
Anytime, any place where you live, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And the boss, put score we active.
Now that we are done soaking the lentils, cover and set aside. For the rest of the ingredients, we are going to be needing red bell pepper. As you can see here, is already washed and clean, right? So we're going to be needing some onions, crayfish, vegetable oil, seasoning cubes, some salt to taste,
Belly the turn, stomach the rumble. When there's resin in your belly, my dear, you can't twist that.
fresh pepper.
You go humble your spirit.
After 10 minutes, wash and rinse the lentils, then transfer into a blender. Now go ahead and add all the ingredients: the fresh pepper, ginger, onions, red bell pepper, fresh pepper, vegetable oil, crayfish, seasoning cube, salt, little water, 1 stone, cover and blend until smooth.
As long as it comes.
The full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box or the comment section. Feel free to grab yours and enjoy this delicious recipe.
Follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you live, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And the boss, put score we active.
At this point here, the beans is almost done, so I added more crayfish to it, cover and blend it one more time until it is completely smooth.
It's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey.
Alright, while we are waiting for the lentils, now grease the cake pan or your moi-moi plate using vegetable oil. Yeah, we are doing this because we don't want the moi-moi to stick to the pan or plate.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as
So next, back to the blender. As you can see at this point, we are done blending. So I poured it into the cake pan. Yeah, if you feel that it is too thick, feel free to add more warm water to it and turn before adding it into the pan. So this consistency was so perfect for my, okay. After that, place in the oven and bake. All right. Bake in the oven for 35 to 50 minutes. Another tip, add water in a baking tray, then place the moi-moi on a baking tray. This will help retain moisture in the moi-moi. Now the moi-moi is done. Take it out from the oven and allow to cool down. Now it is ready to serve. Our oven baked lentils moi-moi is ready. Tasted so super delicious. Hope you try out this recipe and let us know what you think in the comment section. You can enjoy this with hot akamu, custard, oatmeal, gari, or on its own. Guys, we are done. Look at this moi-moi. It looks so moist and delicious. Thank you all for watching. See you in our next one. Bye.